Honorable members, on 26th March 2025, I received a communication, notice of question of privilege against Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs, from Sri Jairam Ramesh, Chief Whip, Indian National Congress. While appending his signatures, Sri Jairam has signed as 26th of May. This is something which can be overlooked as does not change the context. This notice has been given by Sri Jairam Ramesh under Rule 188 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States Rajya Sabha against Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs. And his assertion is that aspersions have been cast on Srimati Sonia Gandhi, Member of Rajya Sabha and Chairperson of Congress Parliamentary Party. Sri Jairam Ramesh has in particular indicated that on 25th March 2025, Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs, while replying to the debate on the Disaster Management Bill 2024, had inter alia stated as follows, I quote, प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय राहत कोष कांग्रेस शासन में बना और पीएम केयर्स नरेंद्र मोदी जी के शासन में बना। एनडीए के शासन में, कांग्रेस के शासन में एक परिवार का ही नियंत्रण होता था। मान्यवर इसके अंदर कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष सदस्य होते थे। मान्यवर He further goes on to quote, and I quote, कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष, सरकारी फंड में कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष क्या जवाब, please, nothing will go on record. No, please, nothing will go on record. This is a serious matter, and I have very frequently noticed that with respect to breach of privilege notices, which I'll come a little later, we need to evolve a protocol. I'll come to that a little later. कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष, सरकारी फंड में कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष क्या जवाब दोगे देश की जनता को, ऐसा मानते हैं, कोई पढ़ता नहीं, देखता नहीं. Honorable members, thereafter, some members took exception, and the Honorable Home Minister announced he will authenticate his statement. Shri Jairam Ramesh, after indicating this, has requested that in view of the foregoing, privilege proceedings may be initiated against Shri Amit Shah, Union Home Minister. Honorable members, this has found wide traction in media. If a communication is sent to the chair, as has been indicated in the bulletin, and a long-standing practice, it should not get publicity. Ultimately, the chairman or the House has to take a call. But the traction has been very widespread. I have taken note of the authentication wherein Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Home Minister, has indicated, I quote, मैं राज्यसभा में दिनांक 25 मार्च 2025 को आपदा प्रबंधन संशोधन विधेयक 2024 की चर्चा के दौरान मेरे द्वारा प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय राहत कोष PMNRF पर की गई टिप्पणी को सत्यापित करते हुए भारत सरकार द्वारा दिनांक 24 जनवरी 1948 को जारी प्रेस विज्ञप्ति को आपके समक्ष रखता हूं। Honorable members, he has authenticated a document which is January 24, 1948, Press Information Bureau, Government of India, Press Note, Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, Pandit Nehru's appeal. Pandit Nehru has issued the following appeal. I am focusing, honorable members, the relevant part, it will be available to you. I am therefore starting a fund called, quote, the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, unquote, and I invite donations to this fund. And then the constitution of the fund is given. It will be managed by a committee consisting of, number one, the Prime Minister, number two, the President of the Indian National Congress, the Deputy Prime Minister, and there are some other members. Honorable members, I have carefully gone through the debate and what the Union Home Minister asserted. Home Minister focused in categorical terms that this was the practice.
Sir, this is too clever by half.
Honorable members, I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. No, nothing will go on record. Nothing. Honorable members, let me reflect. I have carefully gone through it. I find there has been no transgression. There has been absolute adherence to truth, which is vindicated by a document that is available to members. And that being the situation, I cannot persuade myself to accord any acceptance to this notice of question of privilege against Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs.
Sir, you have been very selective in the privilege. You have not read the full.
Honorable, one second. Honorable members, your chairman has done homework. The practice continued for decades. I don't want to go beyond that. All I say is breach of privilege is a serious matter. No, nothing, honorable, nothing else will go on record.
You said that I have a point.
Nothing else will go on record.
Sir, you have said that I
I have declined with a deep sense of anguish and pain that we rush to invoke breach of privilege. We rush to the media, give it traction, try to tarnish image. And I have said on a number of occasions, this house will not be a platform to ruin reputations of people. We have to protect. I therefore